When one is young, certain images get put into your mind, but over time you learn to leave them behind. Well, Christ is not a surname, it's a title. It means anointed, coming from the Greek Christos, which comes from the Egyptian Charas. It's an African concept. Also, Messiah means Savior, which comes from the Egyptian Mesu. I teachings have been stolen and plagiarized and reintroduced through different eyes. Get wise and realize. Yo, you see that picture on your wall? You might be surprised to find out that's not Christ, not at all. It is a picture done by Michelangelo, that's why it looks like an Italiano. It is a picture of his relative who is smuggling to I heritage, implanting we mind with certain images. Time to rearrange, no what time forget positive. It's all about the Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah, even Pope Paul prayed to the Black Madonna. Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah, here like wool. Ow, when I was a little youth, I tell you no lie, I used to think that God was a white man in the sky, and I, without question, used to think that Moses looked like Charlton Heston, filling up my mind with the wrong information. That was from the books to the TV station. Something was not right in my estimation, so I had to do some investigation. Through investigation, I tell you what I find. Those ancient Africans were ancestors of mine, and through deep meditation and the fullness of a time, me take those images out of my mind. Know it's all about the Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah, even Pope Paul prayed to the Black Madonna. Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah, here like wool. How Christ's description in the Bible goes something like this: feet like bronze burning a furnace. Bronze dark enough, never mind when it burn. Only one color that can turn. Learn. Also say him have the ear like a wool. I know me I make it up, it in a for them Bible. Taking place in Africa, don't you think it's possible that we're dealing with some dark people? Talk to me. In the Vatican they pray to the Black Madonna, in a France, in a Spain, right over to Russia, giving her the praise and the honor. If it wasn't for the Romans and the Greeks, they would not change the color. Some of them a do it in a secret. The black woman and child, them secretly worship. Them not tell you that from the pulpit. Well, Maccabee I go reveal it. It's all about the Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah, even Pope Paul prayed to the Black Madonna. Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Charas, Black Mesu, the whole of it is African too. Yo, Haile Selassie at the Christ in at this time. Rasmussen and Menelik coming at this line. The throne in Ethiopia, yes it is Ivan, the inspirator of the thought in at this mind. Talking about a Charas in a kingly character. This man was crowned here, yes in Ethiopia, in a 1930, the 2nd of November. Manifestation of the Father. It's all about the Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah, even Pope Paul prayed to the Black Madonna. Black Christ, Black Messiah, feet like bronze, burning a fire. Black Christ, Black Messiah,